Hey guys, welcome back to the TechSole blog YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and in today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing and review of a smart wearable that's not just stylish, but also a powerful health tracker, the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Now we all know that in today's world, smartwatches are great at tracking our health and sending alerts. But let's be honest, there are times when wearing a smartwatch isn't the most comfortable option, especially while sleeping at night. That's exactly where the Ultrahuman Ring Air steps in. It's sleek, lightweight, and tracks your health 24/7 without any distractions. And although there's no display on the ring itself, all your data gets recorded and synced seamlessly with the Ultrahuman app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. I've added the product link in the description below in case you want to check it out. Now, without any delay, let's get into the unboxing. Before we get started, I also want to share a quick note about the sizing process. Honestly, I was a bit confused about my ring size at first. I wasn't really sure which size would fit my finger. But the good part is, before confirming your order, the company actually sends you a ring sizing kit. This kit includes a handy guide with all the necessary information. And it also showcases the ring design in 5 different color options, which is a nice touch. Inside the kit, you'll find 10 plastic ring sizes in different sizes. You can try them on easily to figure out the perfect fit for your finger. Once you know your exact ring size, you can go ahead and confirm the order confidently, no guesswork involved. Now coming back to the unboxing, the packaging looks really clean and eco-friendly. Inside the outer box, we get another inner box with some details printed on it. As soon as we open the box, the first thing we see is the ring itself. I ordered the raw titanium color variant in size 11, and I have to say, it fits perfectly on my finger. Next, there's a greeting card from the Ultrahuman team sharing a short story about the ring and the vision behind it. You'll also find a couple of informative booklets that explain how to use the ring, how to set it up, and everything you need to know to get started. Then we have a few high-quality Ultrahuman stickers. Next up is a braided Type-C to Type-C cable. The quality here feels premium, and it's about 1 meter in length, so it's definitely useful for charging even from a little distance. And finally, here comes the tiny charging dock for the ring. Now just to mention, the Ultrahuman Ring Air packs a 24 mAh LiPo battery, and it takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Once charged, it can easily last around 4 to 5 days, depending on your usage. Now let's talk about the design. And trust me, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is incredibly sleek. It's just about 2.4 millimeters thin and weighs only 2.4 grams. You'll barely feel it on your finger, which makes it perfect for 24/7 wear. According to the company, the outer shell is crafted from fighter jet-grade titanium, and it's further reinforced with a Tungsten Carbide Carbon coating that not only gives it a premium matte metallic finish, but also makes it super durable and resistant to daily wear and tear. Personally, I love this raw titanium color. It has a clean and minimal look that goes with pretty much anything you wear. If you look on the inner side of the ring, it's transparent, revealing the sensors and chips, which I think looks futuristic. It's also coated with medical-grade hypoallergenic epoxy resin, making it safe and comfortable for all-day and night use, even for people with sensitive skin. Alright, now let's connect the ring to our smartphone. To get started, you'll need to download the Ultrahuman app from the Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Once the app is installed, just follow the on-screen instructions. The pairing process is very simple and user-friendly. And that's it. Once paired, you're ready to go. Right now, The app doesn't have any health data to show since it's just been connected. So, I'll wear the ring throughout the day and night, and we'll check out the recorded data tomorrow to see how it performs in real-world use. Notably, while wearing the ring, make sure the sensor side of the ring is facing the palm side of your finger for accurate tracking. After opening the app, the first thing you'll notice is the dashboard, which gives you 4 key insights. That includes movement index, stress rhythm, sleep score, and recovery score. The movement index tracks daily activity based on steps, duration, and intensity. It also gives feedback on whether your movement patterns are aligned with your recovery and metabolic goals. Next is stress rhythm. This metric tracks how your body is responding to stress throughout the day, based on variations in your heart rate variability, that is HRV, and other internal signals. The app breaks your day into high stress, medium stress, low stress, and recovery phases, giving you a clear timeline of when your body was under pressure and when it was recovering. And if you're noticing constant high stress periods, the app will often suggest breathing exercises or adjustments to your schedule. Moving on to the sleep score, this is one of the strongest features of the Ultrahuman ring. It tracked my entire sleep cycle: light sleep, deep sleep, REM, and awake periods. It even showed me how long it took to fall asleep, my wake-up time, and sleep efficiency. And honestly, this level of detail is something I usually don't even get from my smartwatch. Coming towards recovery score, this is based on metrics like HRV, resting heart rate, sleep quality, and skin temperature. Another thing I would like to mention is the HRV and skin temperature trends. You get a daily graph that helps you understand how your body is responding over time. Super useful if you're into fitness, recovery, or biohacking. So, after wearing the Ultrahuman Ring Air for a full day, here's my honest takeaway. It delivers clear, in-depth, and truly actionable insights without the need to strap on a bulky smartwatch. If you're someone who values minimalism but still wants powerful health tracking, this ring really stands out. Whether it's sleep, recovery, movement, or stress patterns, the data it gives you is meaningful and easy to understand. And here's one more thing I really appreciate. There's no subscription required. Unlike many other health wearables, you get access to all features without paying extra every month. So, if you're serious about tracking your health, value insights over interruptions, and want something sleek, durable, and distraction-free, the Ultrahuman Ring Air might just be the smart wearable you've been waiting for. The ring is currently priced at around $349. And if you're interested in getting the Ultrahuman Ring Air, I've added the purchase link in the description below along with a special discount code, so don't forget to check that out. So, that's it for today's review. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Rahul from TechSole blog. Signing off, see you in the next one.